So here's a little demo of the thermal weld. Thermite. Pull this bitch out of there so I can show you what's really going on. Okay. So you got your wire in there. Okay, you got it moving. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's in there. Okay, I got my hands full. So what you want to do is you want to put this guy there like that, kind of. Not like quite like that, upside down, just like that though. I gotta shut this off. Yeah, something like that. Then you take here a thermite. Got a roll in there. Except for the last little bit. The last little bit on him. It's like that. And boom. You get a nice little weld. And a burnt camera lens.